Welcome to another PCS Company product demonstration video. Today we'll be discussing metric JIS round interlocks. These locks help achieve precise alignment of cores and cavities or slides and are available in both straight and tapered versions. Made from high quality tool steel and hardened to 58 to 62 on the Rockwell C scale, these locks have excellent wear resistance. Straight round locks have a clearance between male and female of only 10 microns. This accuracy ensures precise alignment of mold halves or moving parts ahead of mold closing. This also helps to protect critical shutoff areas in your mold and greatly reduces wear. Diameters ranging from 10 to 30 millimeter with variations in engagement length are available. With tapered locks, the core and cavity inserts will precisely lock when the mold is fully closed. Diameters range from 8 millimeter to 45 millimeter, while lock angle options include 0.5 degrees, 1 degree, 3 degrees, 5 degrees, and 10 degrees. This product comes in 4 different precision groups: standard TPN, standard TPNV, precision VTPN, and extra precision ZTPN. The standard TPN precision group is a match set, making highly precise positioning possible and is available as an assembly only. Concentricity is a maximum of 10 microns for the standard, 5 microns for the precision, and 3 microns for the extra precision type. Both straight and tapered versions can be purchased as complete sets or as individual pieces. Locks with 1 degree or greater locking angle are available as well. Check our website for more information, including installation instructions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit www.pcs-company.com for more information.